Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing revision. So, in today's revision, we are going to revise lesson number 10, Siddharth and the Swan, Fair Book Notes. So, let's begin our session with a beautiful quote that is, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Now, let's see the first topic of the fair book, that is hard words. Hard words. So, let's revise. Number 1, G A U T A M A B U D H A. Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha. Number 2, S I D H A R T H A. Siddharth. Siddharth. Number 3, R O Y A L. Royal. Royal. Number 4, G E N E R O U S. Generous. Generous. Number 5, I N C I D E N T. Incident. Incident. Number 6, C H A R A C T E R S. Characters. Characters. Now, number 7, S U D H O D A N A. Shuddhodhan. Shuddhodhan. Number 8, M A H A M A Y A. Mahamaya. Mahamaya. Number 9, D E V A D A T A. Devadatta. Devadatta. Number 10, C O U S I N. Cousin. Cousin. Number 11, P A R T I C U L A R L Y. Particularly. Particularly. Number 12, S W A N S. Swans. S W A N S. Swans. Then number 13, N E S T E D. Nested. Nested. Number 14, O V E R H E A D. Overhead. Overhead. Number 15, F A L T E R S. Falters. Falters. Number 16. Q U I E T L Y. Quietly. Quietly. Number 17. S T R O K E. Stroke. Stroke. Number 18. A double R O W. Arrow. Arrow. Number 19. S T I C K I N G. Sticking. Sticking. Number 20. C A double R Y I N G. Carrying. Carrying. 21. H A R M E D. Harmed. Harmed. 22. D E F E N C E L E double S. Defenseless. Defenseless. 23. P A L A C E. Palace. Palace. 24. D I S C U double S I N G. Discussing. Discussing. 25. A M O N G S T. Amongst. Amongst. Now 26. S U R P R I S E. Surprise. Surprise. 27. R E V E R E D. Reward. Reward. Now 28. D I S P U T E. Dispute. Dispute. 29. S E N S E. Sense. Sense. Number 30. W O U N D E D. Wounded. Wounded. 31. D E L I B E R A T E. Deliberate. Deliberate. Now 32. A R G U M E N T S. Arguments. Arguments. 33. D E C I S I O N. Decision. Decision. 34. J U D G E M E N T. Judgment. Judgment. 35. M A J E S T Y. Majesty. Majesty. 36. P U Z L E D. Puzzled. Puzzled. 37. A P R O A C H S, approaches. A double P R O A C H E S, approaches. Then 38, B A N D A G E D, bandaged, bandaged. Then H E A L E D, healed, healed. 40, F A M I L I A R, familiar, familiar. 41, T O W A R D S, towards, towards. 42, M O U N T A I N S, mountains, mountains. 43, M I N I S T E R, minister, minister. 44, G E N T L Y, gently, gently. Now, after hard words, there is meanings, meanings. So let's revise. Number 1, overhead. Overhead means above your head. Overhead means above your head. Number 2, revered. Revered. Revered means respected. Revered means respected. Number 3, dispute. Dispute means a disagreement. Dispute means a disagreement. Number 4, puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Puzzled means confused. Number 5, doorway. Doorway means entrance. Doorway means entrance. Overhead means above your head. Revered, respected. Dispute, a disagreement. Puzzled, confused. Doorway, entrance. Now, after this, there is give one word. So let's revise. Give one word. Number 1, the birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it. The birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it. Answer is nested. Answer is nested. Number 2, unable to protect itself. Unable to protect itself. Answer is defenseless. Answer is defenseless. Number 3, next topic, after give one word, there is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So let's see, fill in the blanks. Number 1, one of the swans falters and falls to the ground. Answer is falters. Answer is falters. Number 2, a pair of beautiful white swans has nested there. Answer is nested. Answer is nested. Number 3, let's go and ask wise ministers. Answer is wise. Answer is wise. Let's go and ask wise ministers. Now, number 4, the king's decision will be final. Answer is decision. Answer is decision. Number 5. Prince Siddharth shall keep the swan. Prince Siddharth shall keep the swan. Answer is Siddharth. Answer is Siddharth. Now, after filling the blanks, there is complete the following. Complete the following. Now, number 1. They are surprised to see both the prince walk in with the ministers. Answer is walk in with the ministers. Walk in with the ministers. Number 2. The king and the ministers see dash. Answer is an old man standing in the doorway. An old man standing in the doorway. Number 3. The swan rises into the air to join its family and friends. The swan rises into the air to join its family and friends. So, let's see it again. Number 1. They are surprised to see both the prince walk in with the ministers. Number 2. The king and the ministers see an old man standing in the doorway. Number 3. The swan rises into the air to join its family and friends. Now, next is number 4. They also feel pain and appreciate kindness. So, answer is pain and appreciate kindness. Number 5. It wants to leave, so it should go to whoever wants to give it life. Answer is whoever wants to give it life. Number 5. It wants to leave, so it should go to whoever wants to give it life. Now, next. After complete the following, there is answer in short. Answer in short. So, let's see answer in short. Number 1. What did a minister suggest instead? What did a minister suggest instead? Answer 1. A minister suggested that they should ask the king for his advice. A minister suggested that they should ask the king for his advice. Now, question 2. On which time Prince Siddharth liked to walk near the lake? On which time Prince Siddharth liked to walk near the lake? Answer 2. Prince Siddharth liked to walk near the lake in the evenings. Prince Siddharth liked to walk near the lake in the evenings. Question 3. How was the swan? How was the swan? Answer 3. The swan was injured. The swan was injured. Now, question 4. Where did swan flew at the end of the lesson? Where did swan flew at the end of the lesson? Answer 4. Swan flew off towards the mountains in the north. Swan flew off towards the mountains in the north. Now, question 5. What was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha? What was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha? Answer 5. Prince Siddharth was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha. Prince Siddharth was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha. Now, after answer in short, there is answer in brief. Answer in brief. So, let's revise. Question 1. Why did Prince Siddharth and Prince Devadatta have a dispute? Why did Prince Siddharth and Prince Devadatta have a dispute? Answer 1. Prince Siddharth and Prince Devadatta had a dispute about a swan that Devadatta had shot and wounded. Answer 1. Prince Siddharth and Prince Devadatta had a dispute about a swan that Devadatta had shot and wounded. Now, question 2. Why couldn't the ministers solve the dispute between the two princes? Why couldn't the ministers solve the dispute between the two princes? Answer 2. Because that was the first time such a case had been brought to them. Because that was the first time such a case had been brought to them. Now, after answer in brief, there is make sentence. Make sentence. So, let's see. Number 1, bandaged. Bandaged. She had bandaged the wound. She had bandaged the wound. Number 2, doorway. Doorway. An old man was standing in the doorway. An old man was standing in the doorway. So, my dear students, this is the end of Fairbook notes of lesson number 10. So, let's see whatever we have learned today in short. So, my dear students, Fairbook notes begins with hard words. So, let's see how many hard words are there. Check with me. Okay. First, Gautam Buddha, Siddharth, royal, generous, incident, characters. Then number 7, Suddhodhan, Mahamaya, Devadatta, cousin, particularly, swans. Then nested, overhead, falters, quietly, stroke, arrow. Then sticking, carrying, harmed, defenseless, palace, discussing, amongst. Then surprise, reward, dispute, sense, wounded, deliberate. Then arguments, decision, judgment, majesty, puzzled, approaches. Then bandaged, healed, familiar, towards, mountains, minister, gently. Then after hard words there is meanings. So Overhead means above your head. Overhead means above your head. Then revered. Revered means respected. Revered means respected. Then dispute means a disagreement. Dispute means a disagreement. Puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Puzzled means confused. And then number 5, doorway means entrance. Doorway means entrance. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. I hope you all enjoyed today's session, and regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me. We will meet in the next session with the revision of next lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.